हेलो व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट शिखा। आप देख रहे हैं दिल्ली चिली चैनल। कैंडी फ्लॉस ओ इट्स मी, द होल न्यू एंटरटेनमेंट एक्सपीरियंस। फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे बीच एक बहुत ही स्पेशल पर्सनालिटी मौजूद हैं जो इंडिया को प्राउड फील कराती हैं इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर। मैं बात कर रही हूँ संगीता बहल जी की, जो एक बहुत ही बड़ी माउंटेनर हैं एंड इमेज कंसल्टेंट हैं। चलिए आइए बात करते हैं संगीता एस बहल जी से। हेलो संगीता जी, वेलकम ऑन द शो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
संगीता जी, अपनी लाइफ जर्नी के बारे में हमारे व्यूअर्स को प्लीज़ आप कुछ बताइए।
अच्छा, मेरी जो लाइफ है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रही है शुरू से ही। आई वॉज ओनली 16 व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग। 16 एट द टाइम जब सब लोग पढ़ रहे होते हैं, मुझे था कि कुछ करना है। एट 17 आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट मॉडलिंग असाइनमेंट। आई फिनिश्ड माई कॉलेज एंड उसके बाद तो इट्स बीन अ जर्नी विद द एयरलाइंस। I have worked on reservation, in ticketing, at the airport, and then flying. Or about 15 years I've lived in the Gulf and Middle East, and I have worked with about more than 80 nationalities in the world.
That's really great.
Yeah, so it's been always with people. लोग मेरे लिए हमेशा खास रहे हैं.
I must say you are a philanthropist woman.
Yes, I think humanity is very important for me because I don't think कोई religion, कोई caste, कोई creed, कोई age का फ़र्क पड़ता है. Humanity means सब लोग special हैं और उनके साथ मिलना जुलना is very important, किसी भी age का भी हो. And उसके लिए philanthropy के लिए अभी मैंने एक अपनी NGO खोली है called Impact Women Power. Okay. और उसमें स्किल ट्रेनिंग के साथ साथ उनको जॉब्स भी दिए जाएंगे.
That's great. That's great.
So, और माई जर्नी हैज़ बीन फैंटास्टिक बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ में अगर आप कुछ दो तो आपको 100 फोल्ड वापस आता है हमेशा. और उसके लिए आप बिना एक्सपेक्टेशन के कुछ करो, बिना कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन अपने दिल से करो, अपने हार्ट से करो, और फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि इट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू डूइंग फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी, फॉर सोसाइटी. एंड आपको ब्लेसिंग्स आती हैं, दुआएं आती हैं सब तरह से, और वही सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है लाइफ में. आई बीन मैरिड नाउ सिंस 15 years. आई हैव अ बेटा एंड मैरिड टू अ वंडरफुल हस्बैंड. सो माई लाइफ जर्नी इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इट हैज़ हैपेंड नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क. इट हैज़ बिकम interesting because I follow my passion in mountaineering. So mountaineering has just happened only 3 years back, or it happened with my husband. हम ऐसे ही बैठे हुए थे breakfast पे. So my husband said, you know, I'm going to turn 50 years old and मुझे Kilimanjaro जाना है. So I said, what is Kilimanjaro? He said, Kilimanjaro is a mountain in Africa and my brother is not going with me. So do you want to come? So I said, क्या करना होगा? He said, we have to train, we have to get fit, we have to climb a mountain. So I went with him to fulfill his dream. I was 46 that time and he was 50. Or after a few months, we were standing on top of that mountain, 19,341 feet. खड़े हुए थे with beautiful clouds and nature that you cannot ever imagine, which you only see in the mountains. And we thought कि we've come on heaven on earth, literally. फिर वहाँ से हम नीचे आए and हमारी एक छोटी सी flight थी from Arusha to Nairobi. And वहाँ से हमने अपने plane के अंदर छोटी सी window से देखा this mountain Kilimanjaro. And I looked out and I told my husband, that is the mountain we climbed. So हो नहीं सकता, यकीन नहीं आ रहा. So he said we should do something now else. So then the idea of doing 7 continents of the world and 7 highest peaks of the world came up. और अब हम I've attempted 5 and completed 4. उसके बीच में मेरी इंजरी भी हुई है. And we are hoping to go to Everest next year, both of us.
Best wishes from Delhi Chili team.
Thank you. We need it. We need those best wishes. We need that go for it and make India proud.
अच्छा संगीता जी, what is image consultancy according to you?
Like I told you कि my journey started with the airline industry, and when I finished and I had a baby, उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि अब मुझे ना किसी के लिए काम नहीं करना. I want to do something of my own. जब मैं एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री में भी थी तो लोग मुझे कहते थे कि 2 बजे हो, सुबह के 4 बजे हो या 6 बजे हो, दोपहर के या शाम के, you're always looking good. So I took a pen and paper and I wrote down what is good about me and what I need to work on. And the good were a lot. So I thought अब अगर मुझे करना भी है एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री के बाद तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. So I came across image consultancy. So I got trained in it. I went to US, I went to UK, I went to Australia, I went to France. I went practically all over the world, got all my education, and then I opened image consultancy, which was, I am the pioneer in India. 2005 I started. In fact, इस साल 10 साल हो जाएंगे. And people ask me, what is image consultancy? Really, क्या है क्या? What is this profession? So image consultancy is A, B and C. A for appearance, B for behavior and C for communication. अगर किसी पर्सन के बारे में आपको इमेज मेकओवर करना है तो आप अपीयरेंस से क्या करते हैं, उसने कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, उसकी बॉडी टाइप कैसी है, व्हाट्स अ हेयर स्टाइल, व्हाट्स द शेप ऑफ हर फेस, व्हाट इज़ हर एज, व्हाट इज़ हर स्किन टोन. So we do color analysis, we do makeup, we do grooming, looking after your clothes.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, it's so interesting. And वो मुझे अपना प्रोफेशन ही नहीं लगता कभी कभी, because it's just something that comes from the heart and I love to dress up people.
It's your passion.
Yeah, because I like to dress and I think बाकी लोग भी अच्छे लगे तो कितना अच्छा है. Then B is behavior, which is etiquette. आपके mannerisms कैसे हैं. अब जैसे offices वगैरह में आप जाओ तो etiquette in various forms is there. Starting from emails. आप emails में देखो लोग कई बार mistakes करते हैं and that doesn't create a good impression. So we groom all the people in etiquette, manners, courtesy and soft skills. Body language. आप कैसे बैठे हो, उसके बारे में क्या सोच रहे हो. So all those things, negotiation and everything comes. And C is communication. अब आप picture करो, एक fantastic looking girl comes in and sits with you and she's
like
wearing
you.
But if she doesn't know how to communicate, तो impression सारा चला जाएगा. So communication is really important. So we work on the grammar, pronunciation, enunciation, how the tone is and how she stands to speak, he or she. And this is exactly what we do with Femina. That is our big client.
Okay, please discuss about your clients.
Yeah. So we work with corporates, all MNCs, whether it is the Indian Express, even in fact I've worked with some journalists as well. American Express, Pepsi, I'm not supposed to take all the names, but yes, all the MNCs. Then Femina is one of the clients that I've been training on beauty pageants for last 3-4 years. So when you go on the stage and these girls are wearing beautiful gowns and they're dressed well, groomed well, but वो जो question answer session होता है उसी में पता चलता है winner क्या है. So I train them in presentation, poise and posture on stage. And this has been really excellent because there are these beautiful girls and then they learn how to present themselves. And in fact, lots of Mrs. Indias and Mr. India and Miss Universe, all kind of pageants have been my clients. The other clients that I coach on is in image consultancy is the CEOs. That is my specialty. And there are a lot of expatriates that come to me for CEO coaching in image, and that takes care of everything from top to bottom.
Acha Sangeeta ji, tell me, you are climbing mountains and making India proud. Share your experience, both good and bad.
I would not say anything is bad. देखो सबसे पहले तो climbing mountains is not an easy task. जब लोगों से बात करो आप भी पूछोगे मुझे कि भी mountains climb करते हो, कौन सी summit पे गए हो. But ये जो journey है from the top, from the bottom really to the top, that journey is the most difficult. But we and I with my husband, we enjoy the journey. उसमें बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं और जो अच्छी चीज़ें नहीं वो होती है, that's because हमने maybe preparation थोड़ी सी कम छोड़ दी है. So good की बात ये है कि you see places that nobody sees. You see places through walking, through climbing, through the mountains. Such places जहाँ पर लोग पहुँचे ही नहीं है. जैसे me and my husband, we are the 4th and 5th Indians in the entire universe to climb Antarctica.
That's why you're making India proud.
और वहाँ पर, you know, when you raise the flag also, it is a moment of pride.
Right.
What is not, I would not say what is not good, but what is something that we need to work on is to work with more training. अब suppose you go on a mountain and आपके सामने ऐसे head wall खड़ी है, which head wall is like a wall, इसमें snow है और आप अपनी पूरी equipment लेके चढ़ रहे हो और weather ख़राब हो जाता है और maybe that day you're not feeling well. So कई चीज़ें sometimes they are beyond your control. So that time you wish you were at home. You were not battling 40, 50 miles per hour wind जो फेस पे आती है, कभी दिखता नहीं है कुछ ऐसे वगैरह. So वो कई बार बहुत मुश्किल होता है. And एक इंस्टेंस मैं आपको बताती हूँ. We were climbing in Elbrus in Russia. और उस दिन मौसम बहुत ख़राब हो गया. हम about 3 hours थे समिट से. हम समिट के लिए गए. समिट का एक दिन होता है जिसमें वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि आज हमको पीक तक जाना है. तो उस दिन हम वी हैड ऑलरेडी क्लाइम्ड लाइक 6 hours और हमारे अभी 2-3 घंटे रहते थे बिकॉज स्नो में पता नहीं चलता. और वहाँ जाके इतना मौसम ख़राब हो गया कि वाइट आउट हो गया पूरा. एंड हम लोगों ने रोप्स पहनी हुई थी एक दूसरे के साथ और एकदम मैं बाकी टीम के साथ जो थी मैं अलग हो गई उनसे. और फॉर 40-50 नॉट मिनट्स, आई वुड से 2-3 minutes आई डिड नॉट सी एनीवन. और उस वक़्त मुझे पता नहीं था कि ऊपर जाना है नीचे जाना है क्योंकि वाइट आउट हो गया, स्नो थी और मैं वहीं पर खड़ी थी और कोई आवाज़ नहीं थी. तो उस टाइम पे काफ़ी घबराहट थी.
You're playing with dangers.
Yes, climbing mountains is risky, but इसलिए preparation important है. और अच्छी बात यह है कि आप ऐसे ऐसे लोगों को मिलते हो जो आप यहाँ नहीं मिलते, पार्टीज़ में नहीं मिलते. You meet all people who are challenging themselves on the mountains. They are trying to see what they haven't done before. Because it's not just climbing the mountain, it's experiencing the whole thing. There is no technology, there's no phone, there is nothing. So आप खाली एक छोटे से टेंट में होते हो, आपके बैकपैक होता है 20-30 kilos and that's it. और खाना पीना, that's it. और बाकी लोगों से बातें करो and come to know about their life. So we have met such beautiful people in the mountain.
Acha Sangeeta ji, tell us, how do you manage yourself so beautifully, so gorgeously that I'm confused. You can tell our viewers, how do you manage yourself with so much pressure?
In the life, you know, there is always pressure. पर एक चीज़ मैंने लाइफ में हमेशा सीखी है, that is discipline. And वो शुरू से ही था. Even my mother, when we were very small, तो वो कहती थी कि, you know, I used to see her when I used to come back from school. She used to be nicely dressed, even at 4 o'clock for tea, you know. So I learned those things कि अपने आप का ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So from a very young age, I started looking after my skin. I would eat the right things. Of course, we did the various things also, like junk food and all. But we always played an important role in maintenance, in discipline of doing things properly with time. So now, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, as a daughter, as a businesswoman, and also as a mountaineer, it's like I am juggling balls all the time. मुझे लगता है कई बार 8-9 balls are juggling, उसको पकड़ती हूँ, इसको पकड़ती हूँ. But this is all because of organization. Organize myself the night before. मैं अपने clothes बाहर निकाल के रखती हूँ. अगर सुबह सुबह हम 5 o'clock उठते हैं जिम के लिए, तो सारे कपड़े रात को एक साइड पे पड़े होते हैं कि सुबह टाइम ना वेस्ट हो. So have your tea, wear your clothes and go. Then come back. So there is a time for everything.
Time management.
Time management has been there even in the airline industry because I could not come late on a flight. वो तो flight तो चली जाती. इसलिए the time has been there, the discipline has been there. Now the balance has been there also because of health. As you grow older, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. और mountains में you have to depend on yourself. So the self-dependence से ये जो हुआ है, I've become more fit. I think when I was in my 20s, I could not even run. I don't run now, but I can easily train for 2-3 hours and still not feel sweaty.
That's great.
Yeah.
As Sangeeta ji, I have come to know that you got an injury.
Yeah.
Would you like to discuss?
Yes, of course. It's important for me because ये जो mental strength है ना, ये in the time of crisis ही आती है. Adversity हो, अगर आप उसको capture कर लेते हो, तो उसके बाद you become stronger. I was climbing in Alaska, Denali, and 16,000 जब मैं ropes के साथ नीचे आ रही थी, तो मेरा पाँव यहाँ तक चले गया snow के अंदर. और उसको निकालने वक्त वो एकदम ऐसे क्लिक सी आवाज़ आई and my ACL got torn. और इतनी मुझे दर्द हुई उस वक्त, बट आई डिडंट नो कि क्या हुआ है बिकॉज वहाँ कोई डॉक्टर्स नहीं थे और हम ऐसे खड़े हुए थे. सो जब हम नीचे आए थोड़ा सा, आई जस्ट फेल ऑन द स्नो एंड वहाँ कोई रेस्क्यू नहीं थी, कोई हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं था और 3-4 घंटे मैं नीचे चल के आई, एक आइस एक्स अपनी लेके नीचे चल के आई. और जब मैं कैंप में थोड़ा सा पहुँची 14,000 being with injury because वहाँ पर कोई हेल्प नहीं करता, you have to help yourself. और किसी को एक्चुअली पता नहीं था कि हुआ क्या है. So when I reached the 14,000 का एक वहाँ पर कैंप था, तो वहाँ पर एक डॉक्टर था and he saw my knee और वो नी तब तक इतनी बड़ी हो गई थी. And he said, I'm sure it's not broken but we will see. उन्होंने मुझे पेन किलर्स दिए और टूने के होता है ना, लगा देते हैं, एक स्टिक सी लगा देते हैं कि इधर उधर ना हिले. And next day, I could not even get up from my tent. Then they rescued me on a sled. Sled होता है जिसमें हम सामान अपना ला रहे थे, उसमें उन्होंने मुझे बैगेज बना के बिल्कुल मम्मी की तरह रोल करके they carried me from 14,000 to 7,000 on skis. 4 people on skis. I was like the baggage, precious cargo, and they carried me down. But इसके बाद जो story है वो I think it is worth telling you is that when I came back to India, I came to know कि ये पूरा इसका वो ACL टूट गया. So the doctor said कि if you were not climbing, तो हम कहते हैं चलो थोड़ा थोड़ा करते रहोगे काम तो ठीक है. But I'm a climber. और वो it hurt me so badly inside also कि अब क्या होगा. You know, I still have so many mountains to climb. So I got my operation done and I was lying in bed for many weeks, about I think 6 weeks I was not able to do anything. I carried a lot of things in my mind कि अब मैं क्या करूँगी. So I used to get my friends to come and cheer me up. But the mind में मेरा था कि अब मुझे ठीक होना है. So the will from inside came slowly, steadily to say that I must have a goal in front of me. And the goal was that I must climb another mountain. So उसी के लिए within 6 months of physiotherapy and this willpower, I climbed 23,000 feet.
That's the spirit, I must say.
Yeah.
That's truly amazing.
And when I reached the top of 23,000, I cried. Because मुझे इतना रोना आया कि I've done it. It was because of happiness. It was because of other people told me you'll not go, you'll not climb. खत्म हो गया बस. But when I reached the top, I cried and I thanked God and I said, thank you for giving me the strength to do it. So this will is something that everybody has inside them. Only thing is वो use नहीं करते उसको. अगर वो कोशिश करें तो क्या नहीं कर सकते.
Rightly said.
Yeah.
Okay, Sangeeta ji, I have heard usually लोग आपको कहते हैं woman with a golden hand. What's the secret behind this?
गोल्ड तो नहीं है but ठीक है.
You have to tell.
जैसे मैंने आपको शुरू में थोड़ा सा बताया था कि I feel really blessed. I feel gratitude for everything that I've got. I have worked very hard in my life, I must say. I worked hard because I thought that's the only way to do it. But in the same time, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें selflessly की हैं, without expectation. If I've looked after my family in some way, I've done it with my heart. I'm a heart person, and the golden thing has just come by the way. And I think that if I can rub off some of my inspiration or some of my willpower to others to tell people कि आप कर सकते हो, या yeah it's possible, because I don't think there is anything that cannot be done if you have to try. अगर आप try करोगे तो क्यों नहीं होगा? जो कोशिश नहीं करेगा वो कैसे होएगा?
Then rub that inspiration on me.
लो.
Thank you so much.
नहीं, definitely I think this is a brilliant thing to tell somebody. अब मैंने एक चीज़ और शुरू की हुई है to tell people कि अगर आप कुछ सीखते हो, pass it to at least one person. Don't pass it to like 100 people. Every day, if you pass on some inspiration to somebody, even one person, then can you imagine that the whole world will benefit one to one?
That's really great.
So it could be somebody who's your help in the house. उसको ही कुछ बता देते हो. आपको बाहर कोई मिलता है कि बस स्ट्रेंजर कोई मिल जाता है, उसको बता दो कि ये ऐसे करो. The other day I was going in the market and I had this grandmother with a granddaughter. The granddaughter was troubling the grandmother. मुझे ये भी ले दो, आइसक्रीम भी ले दो, ये भी ले दो. Grandmother was very old. She was actually having a stick in her hand. And so I told the little girl, I said, beta, your grandma needs help. I diverted her mind completely. Your grandma needs help. Can you help her with the stick, and let's go on that side and make her sit down. She got so involved in just looking after the grandma, she forgot about the ice cream. So little things that you can do to make life better for others.
Acha Sangeeta ji, I must say you are a multi-talented woman of India.
Wow.
What message, a special message to especially for the women viewers of Delhi Chili?
You know, I have worked with people all over the world, especially women, in the image consultancy, now as an NGO also, even climbing. I think Indian women, I know, Indian women are very special. उनमें इतनी strength है अंदर. Only thing is they don't take it out. They have so much strength inside. And I've seen women manage their homes, they manage their children, they manage their job, they manage their fussy husbands. It's also there. And yet they manage to go out to the parties and look good. But I think if they would use their talent, if they would use their education, and if they would use the resources that they have, एक दिन dinner पे ना जाएं, go and do some social work. You know, we spend a lot of money. I also come from a background where we spend a lot of money. But how about giving a little to charity? How about doing something for the community? And I think that will give them so much of satisfaction than just going, getting dressed and attending a party. There are many people who have been educated in degrees. वो क्यों नहीं काम करती? मुझे नहीं समझ आता. क्यों नहीं करती? अपना talent क्यों waste कर रही हैं? It will raise the GDP of India. It will make women more popular and confident. So what is needed is self-belief. अगर आप अंदर से सोचो कि आप कर सकते हो, I would say सारी women मेरे पास आए. I will give you that belief. I'll give you that self-belief. You can do it. But you must do it.
Thank you for the message, Sangeeta ji. Okay, Sangeeta ji, tell me the one work you haven't did.
The one work that I have, there's so many things. I think my life has just started at 50.
मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है.
मुझे लगता है कभी-कभी ओहो मैंने ये भी नहीं किया, मैंने ये भी नहीं किया. One thing I want to do is to learn how to fly a plane, a small plane. I was in Alaska. I used to see these planes getting up and landing because of my airline background also. I want to skydive. I want to spend some extra time doing my painting and some of my creative things, which I'm not able to do it. And of course, singing, by the way.
Everything is so adventurous you want to do.
I want to go back into my singing as well. So I did that for a few years and then the climbing started. अब तो वक्त ही नहीं मिलता रियाज करने का.
2 लाइनें सुना सकती हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
हाँ, सुना सकती हूँ.
Please.
This is an old song from Lata Mangeshkar ji.
Yes, yes.
It's one of my favorite. काफ़ी देर से practice नहीं हुई है, but whatever. लग जा गले से फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से.
Wow, truly melodious. Nightingale of India.
It's just something that is a stress buster.
Truly amazing. It's melodious. मैं तो जा रही हूँ पूरा सुना दो आप.
See, Monday.
अच्छा संगीता जी, you look so gorgeous, so amazing.
ज़्यादा हो गया है. ज़्यादा क्या?
No, it's true. हमारे viewers को बताइए, how do you manage fitness?
See, I was never really a gym person. Even जब मैं flying भी करती थी, I remember मेरे crew जाते थे hotels में, they used to go to the gym, but I thought ज़रूरत नहीं है. I was in my 20s, you know, 20s you don't think you need any gym, you don't need anything. But since I started climbing, I have noticed that fitness is very, very important. And especially as you age, because आपकी bones weak हो जाती हैं, आपकी skin hang हो जाता है. So why should you look good at any age?
At 50, मुझे तो कहीं कुछ नहीं दिख रहा आप में ऐसा.
I'm trying my best to get that figure, that bikini bod. So now with mountains, it's mandatory for me to train myself and go to the gym. So I'm up every day at 5 o'clock, and by 5:45, I'm out of this house with my husband. We go and train in the gym for 2 hours. And Saturday and Sunday, we are doing sometimes 3 to 4 hours every day. And one day is a holiday, rest day, rigorous. और इससे दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो आप अपने आप को, आपका वेट बढ़ता नहीं है. दूसरी चीज़ है, वी आर एबल टू क्लाइम द माउंटेन. मैं आपको पहले बोल रही थी कि कई बार अच्छा नहीं लगता कि हमने ट्रेन नहीं किया. सो दिस ट्रेनिंग इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू ईच माउंटेन दैट वी डू. आजकल जो हम ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें हमें रॉक क्लाइंबिंग का थोड़ा सा करना है. कभी रॉक नहीं चढ़ी थी, लेकिन अब वो कोशिश भी है कि अच्छी तरह करें. सो फिटनेस इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. फिट इन द बॉडी, फिट इन द माइंड.
Thank you for telling this, especially for me.
कोई बात नहीं, आपको वॉक के लिए लेके जाऊंगी अगली बार.
Sure, sure. I want to come.
Actually, you should come for a trek with me because I
Sure.
just launched my company, Impact Mountaineering.
I will.
हाँ.
I also want my viewers to join Sangeeta S. Bahal.
Yes, please come, please come. I will change your life.
Okay, Sangeeta ji, एक special message for the Delhi Chili viewers. We need it.
Nothing is impossible. कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी नहीं है जो आप ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो आप नहीं कर सकते. Try, 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 and you will get to that point. But before that, there are a few things that you should do. First, find what you want to do. You should be really, really passionate about what you want to do. Then you find time for it, which means अगर आप let's take an example. Maybe you want to become a dancer. So you have to find time for it. And you're really passionate, but you don't do anything about it. तो क्या होगा? वो passion वहीं रह जाएगा. Find time for it, practice it, have perseverance that you can be the best. And later on, you'll see that you'll persist and you will reach the top. It's the same with me, who didn't know how to climb mountains about 3.5 years back. Now I have been to 5 continents. And it has come with passion because I love it. I train for it, I make time for it, I persist कि करना ही है. And कहते हैं ना, you keep going till you think that it's finished, not when you are tired. Just when you are feeling tired, that's the time to say you have to keep going on. So you can keep doing it and you will reach your pinnacle of success. And it is not difficult, but you have to keep going on. Keep going strong and see where you will reach.
थैंक यू सो मच संगीता जी, हमारे व्यूअर्स को इतना इंस्पिरेशन देने के लिए, हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए, दिल्ली चिली व्यूअर्स को इतना मोटिवेट करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट इन लाइफ.
Thank you for having me on the show and I love talking about it.
तो ये थी संगीता एस बहल, माउंटेनर एंड इमेज कंसल्टेंट. आप देख रहे थे दिल्ली चिली चैनल, कैंडी फ्लॉस, ओ इट्स मी, द होल न्यू एंटरटेनमेंट एक्सपीरियंस. थैंक यू.